The alert sound from all Metal Gear Solid games. Tutorial for the keyboard. I don't know if there's an actual tutorial for this on YouTube. It's just something I found out by myself, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. Okay, so if you have a keyboard for instruments, I suggest you use a brass. Any will do fine, and mix that with strings. Excuse me. Okay, so here's the tutorial. One more time. After you play these two notes, play these three notes together like this. So it's... And here's how it should sound like in full speed.